Today we are going to talk about the passive voice of past indefinite tense. As you know that past indefinite tense is about the time which has passed. Right now we are at present, in present situation, but something that has happened in and past, so that is our past. 2 seconds ago, 1 second ago is past, 2 days ago is past. So past tense, you know very well about past tense, past indefinite tense. If you haven't watched the video about past indefinite tense, you can watch my video from the playlist of tenses. There will be past indefinite tense. Today we are going to talk about the passive voice of past indefinite tense. When we want to talk about the things that have happened in past, but we want to speak in passive form because we do not need to mention the subject in the beginning of the sentence, so we will make the passive form. First of all, we will speak the object, the thing that we are going to talk about, and then we will speak was or were. It depends on the object. If the object is singular, we speak was. If the object is plural, we speak were. And then we speak the verb with its third form. After that we speak the time or any other object if needed, right? For example, this message was sent yesterday means somebody sent this message. I do not want to mention the person who sent this message, so I directly say that this message was sent yesterday. The breakfast was given at 7 a.m. The dinner was served at 10 p.m. or something was done in such and such time. Something was done on Friday, something was done on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, any time. So in this way you can speak the passive sentences. Or I have already told you that speak was with singular things and speak were for plural things. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Make a lot of sentences, as many sentences as possible for you. Bye bye for now. See you again in the next video.